Hello, good morning student. In the last video, we got the detailed idea about the viruses, how virus can attack to our system. We got the idea about how virus attacks to the system in the different way. How can the virus enters to our system with the different manner or the different methods or the different instruments. We got the detailed idea in the last video. Today we will learn some another way the virus attacks to our system. For that we will get the detailed idea about that. Also we got the idea about rotavirus. When that type of virus attacks to our system, it directly slows down the computer. So the virus is very dangerous for the system because whenever it attacks to the system, the data of the system may get destroyed, or the data may get slow, or computer get slows down or automatically shut down. So that time virus attacks is very bad for the system. So due to this, to keep safe your computer from the different type of viruses, we will see different viruses today also. From that type of viruses, the email virus is there. You already aware about the email. Email is a service of electronic mail through which we can send email or a letter to anyone. That means the data from one computer can be sent to the another computer in a different way. We can send even file also. File may be text file, video file, audio file, or a text file. So different type of files we can send with the email by attach that type of files with the email. For that you should have the address of sender and address of the receiver. The receiver computer will receive the email. That time it will download the attached file to that email, particular email. If the sender computer is affected with the viruses and the file is also affected with the viruses, and that file whenever sent to the another computer, after reaching to the destination computer, the file get downloaded. At that time virus can attack to the destination computer. So due to this, we can say email virus is there. We will see what the content written in the textbook. Email viruses journey through email attachments. Email viruses journey through the email attachments. They replicate themselves by automatically mailing themselves. Replicate themselves when automatically mailing themselves to the email address in the victim's email address book. So it will attach to the address book of victim's email, or whenever the infected mail will reach towards the receiver computer. Receiver computer will be affected by accessing that type of email. Trojan horse. This is the new type of virus. Trojan horse is there. Trojan horse is a malware. Trojan horse is a malware, and malicious software seems to perform a useful function. Trojan horse is a software and perform a useful function. So whenever whenever the software helps to the user as a useful function, then it will be used a lot of times, but actually performs destructive functions such as destroying the data stored in the computer. But the Trojan horse type of viruses used to destroy the data stored into the computer. If the data is important and it is deleting, it will be very serious problem for you. Due to this, the Trojan horse type of viruses is very dangerous for the computer. Allowing an outsider illegal access to the system, it also allows illegal access to the system. A Trojan horse usually does not replicate itself. The main sentence of Trojan horse does not replicate itself. Underline to that sentence. Already I have underlined that type of sentences, but just this sentence is also important. 3 sentences out of the Trojan horse is very important. Trojan horse is a type of virus destroy the data inside the computer. It is a malicious software. Trojan horse is a malware and it does not replicate itself. It is the main sentence. So keep it in mind that 3 sentences is important from the Trojan horse type of viruses. Computer worm. Computer worm is another type of virus, but we can't say it as virus, we say it as worm. Computer worm. The main sentence to write or to keep in mind that computer worm is a computer program that replicates itself very fast and disrupts entire network. What it works? It replicates itself very fast and disrupt entire network. Network. What means the network? Network means to connect the one or more computer to each other with the help of network cables. We call it as LAN cable also. Or if the computers in the network present without the wire is a wireless type of network, whenever the computers is in network, that type of computer worms can affect the different system what are inside the networks. That will be affected with the computer worm. So it enters the computer system through infected email. Infected email also here. Keep in your mind infected email through which computer worm can attack to your system also. Reproduces itself, sends copies of itself other computer through a network, chokes the network, causes permanent loss of data. Due to the computer worm, there will be the permanent loss of data. You will be lose your data, important data. Whenever that type of worms, computer worm will attach to your system. So this is also dangerous for your computer worm. It replicate itself is a one sentence, very important sentence. Attacks over the network is the another sentence, important sentence. And third important sentence is it chokes the network, destroy the data permanently. Some worms that have brought network down are Happy 99, Code Red, Nimda, Witty, Storm, etc. The name of some worms are as follows. You can see in your book. At least one example you should write in your notebook or in the exam. Code Red, Nimda, Witty, Storm, etc. Okay, we will see the another type. Worms harm the computer network by choking it, whereas viruses destroy the file on target computer. A worm can run by itself without a host program. It does not need a host to replicate itself. A viruses, on the other hand, needs host program to spread. There is a host program that whenever it will attach to the system, the computer will be destroy the data. Protecting computer from viruses attack. Whenever you want to protect from the viruses, the different ways written here we can see in the good manner. We will see in our next video. Thank you. So please stay happy and look very carefully, watch the video and share it to your friends. Whatever be the difficulties, mention it over the YouTube. Thank you, student. We will meet in our next video.